this a shot. Today game is working. Alright, well, I just did that thing where it said click me to use gets add for rewards. So we should be seeing. Wait a minute, what's this? For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. The laughing stop. Doors open. Oh, there's something over there before I can't tell. Oh, that's just sinister. Nice. Drag the controller for movement. Press interact and right objects. Or not. Oh, I was about to see what these computers were saying. This is supposed to hear, right? I'm smart. Very, very smart. Uh-huh. See? Look at yellow. What was that? Remote price. That was really grim. Look at that. We just look over here. We just look over there. The batteries was definitely not look over there. So, there's nowhere they were in there. I just circle these seats. You know what I mean? That's the green and yellow boy. You press the remote icon to use your toy. There's two of them. What's that do? Okay, teleport icon. Teleport the toy to its nearest room. So I'm guessing that's that one. Brings the toy to the remote. Controls can be accessed at any time. Okay. Hit that button. What is that? Drone. Get it. Oh my gosh. I'll be playing these games. Bro, that's it right there. Bro. Where'd it go? It's right there. Alright. Now. Attack! Yeah. You did it. Alright. Peel a bird mission. I thought you was a straight up freaking ostrich. A peel a bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Right there. Any eggs on the swing sets? I don't want to do swing. Why don't I want to do swing? I'm gonna go over here and look for some eggs. Toy cannot be directed at materials such as yellow glass. Oh. So if I just click that button from over there, But that button is down, so I don't think it's gonna do anything. There's no eggs in that room. See if any eggs over here. Oh, there's an egg over here. Right here. Yep, got it. Give me the egg. Ooh. I didn't even see this one. Excuse me. Ooh. I don't know what that just did, but look at my drone. Oh, button. Drone, come here. It's a Z button. What do I do? Come here, come here, come here, come here. I want my prize, you freaking scam artist. Give it to me. I collected the eggs. Eat one. You're a bird that eats eggs. And that's weird. I don't think birds should eat eggs or should know to eat uncooked eggs. I mean, like, normally chickens are dumb-ish. So if they were seeing some random yellow, fluffy stuff, they would think this is food, not an egg. But you eating raw eggs, whole shell on entirely, and you were like hungry for these, it makes me kind of worried. What is that? Is that a freaking key card? Ew. Give me that, bro. I'll wipe this thing off. This is gross. Alright, this is yellow. Oh, the button turned on. Let's go. What did that button do? It opened this. Give me the hammer. Was this a little nope? Distraction at 1. No, what was that? Oh, my distraction at 1. You ain't distracting me. Where'd it catch this hand? Where'd I catch this hammer work? Stop. Hammer time. Got it. I did not mean to call you in here at the moment. Go over here. Yeah, I figured that was the jump button. What was my color? I remember at the beginning of the game, you were white. That's not white. No, that's pink. That's blue. That's green. That's orange. That's white. You were definitely green. You were the title of the game, so I should know. Well, not the title, but you were the game's mascot. Fully. I have a feeling you're about to jump out this pit right now, and I do not want to see you. I don't even remember your name. Alright, I know you're pink. You've been following me around everywhere. You freaking Apila. This interact button is weird. There we go. I don't think I recall what color you were. Or you. was a blue option. Why do I feel like yeah, that's definitely. I really want this. Let's see. I'ma just do this one's blue. She's really not smart considering most jellyfish are bluish, pinkish color. We did it. We did it, guys. Let me get this. Wait, what is this? I wanted to play with the whole word. Everyone left me. Everyone have party without me. Mason see me but go. I'm scared but go hold loud. My friends scream but the bird is funny. No, you're not. Oh, sucker. Lo say sucker. No. Back up. Why did you hit the button? Got you. Ha! I guess that's why they call you the whole bird. Oh, that's it for me. I'm out. Oh yeah, that one was right. This is not blue. This is lavender. I feel like dude. Open up. This room is normal. It's two. Move out the way. I'm gonna need the credits to. Ooh, you cheeky suckers tried to hide it from me. Attack the button drone. And that should make this light up. Card reader number 2. Chair. Oh, you took my chair. Nah. I didn't want to do this. Y'all just gonna take my chair like that? Alright. I'm lighting this whole. There's the purple card that I was supposed to get. Where? I don't know. Wait a minute. This is the room at the beginning of the game. The Captain Fiddle's picture is right there. I looked at his name over here. See? Captain Fiddle. His name is not Luke. His name is not no damn. Kuka. Buka. How did that happen? I'm not sure how that happened. I was honestly really scared I was about to fall through this gap right here. And then it got me real scared. I was like, oh no. Stop sitting in my face. Drone? Drone! Come right here. Come yonder. No, Droney! Oh man. What the frick? Okay, that entire lift just shook. What is happening? Who did this? Lay down. That's the green one. That's the green one. Drone, hit it! I just saw the chair fly into the sky, but the chair just flew away. Well, see you guys in like a couple minutes because I have this game downloaded as well. So I'm going to be playing that game soon. I really hope I see you soon. Well, peace out, y'all. Like and subscribe.